Okay, we're going to look at finding an angle of trigonometric. Using trigonometry, we're going to look at how can we use trigonometry to find an angle. Well, let's start. Here's the question. We've got a right angle triangle, and this side is 12, this side is 5, and this is the angle that we're at. They're asking us to find. Okay, the first step is name the sides. It's always the first step, actually. Name the sides. Well, there's the hypotenuse, but the two sides that are given are what we're going to use. That side there is opposite x, and 5 is adjacent. Well, that's your first job. Name 12 opposite and 5's adjacent. Now you've got this thing SOHCAHTOA. SOHCAHTOA. There it is, SOHCAHTOA. Well, opposite and adjacent. You'll take a look. Adjacent hypotenuse, opposite and adjacent. That's t. That's tangent. So I can make an equation. I can make the trig fraction. Watch what it looks like. All I do is go, the tangent of x is really just a fraction, which is 12 over 5. Tangent is opposite over hypotenuse, so the tangent of x is 12 over 5. Well, now it's just time to get our calculators going. We've got that the tangent of x is 12 over 5, and all we have to do is ask our calculator what angle fits with 12 over 5. And all you do is you go press shift, tan. It's called tangent inverse. It looks up the angle that fits with this ratio. Your calculator knows the angle that fits with this ratio, and it's just going to tell you. Go shift, tan, put in 12 over 5, and then press equals, and there's your answer. If they said to the nearest tenth, you'd round it off to 67,4 degrees. That's exactly how big that angle x must be. And that's how you find an angle. Maybe I have another question here. I think I do. Oh, here's another question. So the first step, let's name the sides. That guy's called the hypotenuse. And this side, there's your angle x we're trying to name. That's opposite x. So you go, oh, opposite over hypotenuse. SOHCAHTOA. So that's the first one. Opposite over hypotenuse is sine. So the sine of x is 9 over 15. Then you go shift sine, and you'll see a little sign with a -1 in the top. Shift, then sine, then put in this fraction, then press equals, and you'll get 36, 9 degrees. That's your answer. Okay. So I hope that helped.